Get ready to be amazed as we reveal the 10 most mind-blowing camping gadgets you never knew existed. We're talking about gear that will make you say, wow, and have your camping buddies begging to know where you got it all. Let's get ready, set, camp. Have you ever wished your camping bed felt a little bit more like your bed at home? Well, the Kammok Ursa sleep system is like a giant sleeping bag on steroids. This premium sleep system includes a self-inflating base pad, memory foam topper, insulated camp comforter, and an adjustable oversized pillow with variable thickness. Plus, the Ursa comes in 2 sizes, a regular size for grown-ups and a smaller one for kids or shorter campers. You can even zip 2 Ursa systems together to make a giant bed for 2 people, your own personal camping cuddle puddle. The Ursa is priced around $700 for the whole set. So if you're someone who loves feeling cozy and getting a good night's sleep when you camp, this might be the perfect piece of gear for you. Imagine showering outdoors without needing to be near a faucet or having to pump. That's the magic of the Rinse Kit Pro Portable Shower. This bad boy is basically a high-tech watering can. It uses a battery-powered pump to blast out water at a whopping 50 psi, which is strong enough to wash away dirt and grime, just like your shower at home. So scrap those weak, drippy portable showers. It's equipped with a long-lasting, powerful battery that comes fully charged and provides 6 months of battery life. Plus, it includes a car and wall charger for added convenience. So whether you're camping or living the van life, the Rinse Kit Portable Shower, priced at just $300, is your go-to solution for staying clean and refreshed on the go. Now, before we move on to the next camping gadget, we kindly ask that you just take a quick second to smash that like and subscribe button. This will just help us bring you more awesome camping content. Now let's get back to the good stuff. Have yourself some fresh ice cubes on hand, no matter where your adventure takes you, with the FLEXTAIL EVO ICER. Imagine an ice maker that's small enough to fit under your arm and light enough to carry across the beach. That is the EVO ICER. It weighs only 20 pounds and comes with a built-in battery, so you can make ice wherever you roam. This ICER makes your first batch of 12 cubes in just 9 minutes, and even faster batches after that. So if you're an outdoor lover who craves icy drinks and fresh food preservation no matter where you are, this might be the ultimate gadget. It's available for $660. Pretty reasonable investment for keeping things cold on the go. Looking for a tiny lantern that packs a big punch? Then check out the Olight Olantern Mini fire pit. This little guy might be small, but it's bursting with features that make it perfect for an outdoor adventure. It's made with a zinc alloy body, so it's tough enough to handle the bumps and bruises of outdoor life. Yet, it's incredibly lightweight, making it a perfect addition for your backpack. This lantern can also last up to 48 hours with a 15 lumen brightness setting, ensuring you have light when you need it most. And priced at just $40, it's a pretty solid deal for a convenient lighting solution for all your outdoor excursions. Ever crave a crackling campfire but stuck in a place with no fire pit or wood burning restrictions? Well, the Ignik FireCan Deluxe is here to save the day. This ingenious gadget is basically a portable campfire and grill rolled into one, and available for $300. The FireCan Deluxe runs on propane, so you can enjoy a safe and cozy fire practically anywhere. Campsites, beaches, and even your own backyard. With this, you can now also forget about complicated assembly instructions. The FireCan Deluxe is ready to go in seconds. Just unfold the legs, connect the hose to your propane tank, and light her up. It comes with a removable grill insert that lets you cook up your favorite campfire meals. Plus, there's a handy grease tray for easy cleanup. For campers who love to cook up a delicious meal in the great outdoors, the Alocs Camping Cookware Set is a dream come true. This set boasts a whole range of cookware, including pots, pans, lids, gripper, a stand, and even a windshield. Basically, it's like having a mini kitchen packed neatly in your backpack. With this set, safety is priority too. The cookware is made with materials that meet European and American food safety standards. Plus, it's built to last, resisting scratches, oxidation, and of course high temperatures. So for just $90, the Alocs camping cookware is a great option if you want a complete and convenient cooking solution for your next outdoor adventure. Looking for a screwdriver that's equal parts tool and toy? Then the MetMo Driver might be right up your alley. It's a gadget that's inspired by precursors to electric drills from the mid-20th century. But it's an updated version with modern materials and machining. It can even be used for drilling holes for tent stakes or repairs. Small and lightweight, it also easily fits in your tool bag, backpack, or even your pocket. Available for $130, this makes it a great option for anyone who needs a handy tool on the go, especially campers who value saving space. Transform your outdoor space with the Snow Peak Takibi Fire and Grill, a $350 versatile and foldable fire pit that's perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and more. Crafted from stainless and chrome-coated steel, this fire pit is built to last. The grill net, grill bridge, pack and carry fireplace, base plate, and carrying case are all included in this 5-piece set, ensuring that you have everything you need for your outdoor cooking adventures. It's also very easy to use and set up, making it ideal for a variety of outdoor activities. Whether you're cooking in your backyard or camping in the wilderness, this fire pit is a must-have accessory. Looking for a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly way to cook your meals on your next camping trip? Look no further than the EcoZoom Versa. Cool, this is a wonderful little camp stove that can bring water to a boil super quickly. It works with wood or charcoal, so you can use whatever fuel source is most readily available. Another cool thing, it utilizes a rocket stove design that creates an immensely hot flame using minimal fuel. This means less smoke, less fuel to carry, and faster cooking times. Priced at $160, it's an investment in convenience for your next outdoor adventure. Now ditch the wasteful disposal propane canisters with the Ignik Refillable Gas Growler Deluxe. Priced at $130, this 5-pound refillable propane tank is designed to be more economical and less wasteful than single-use 16-ounce green propane bottles, while also being more portable than traditional 20-pound tanks. The 5-pound tank is ideal for situations that require portability or when space is limited, such as camping, RVing, boating, tailgating, and overlanding. Its included adapter hose also ensures the Ignik gas growler can be used with a wide range of appliances. It connects to 1-inch 20 UNEF connectors, which are common on many camp stoves, as well as 0.5-inch OPD compatible products like standard home barbecue grills. So it's a great investment for outdoor enthusiasts who care about the environment and convenience. We've covered everything from fire pit grills to pocket-sized lanterns, and even a fidgety screwdriver that doubles as a super-powered tool. So which gadget did you like the best? Be sure to let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome camping content. And if you're looking to upgrade your next camping trip, be sure to check the links below in the video description. And with that, thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you in the great outdoors.